Speak loudly. I'll speak little loudly. I am Prashant Naik, Zonal Manager, Bank of India. Mr. Prasad Joshi, he is the General Manager, Bank of India Head Office. He is also present over here. And we are going to address all of you on the new concept of ideation launched by the bank to understand the requirement of the general public and how to connect with people with different programs of Bank of India. So an interactive session is going on right now with all the branch managers who are the real workers at grassroots level. They are finding or they are interacting with each other and coming up with solutions so that how we can address the needs of the people in a more proactive way, and various policies and government products which are coming up that can be also brought to the last level. At the same time, how to improve our internal working. This is a national interactive program. Around the country, all the branch managers at different zones have gathered together for last 2 days, yesterday and today. Various suggestions are being made. Right from, you can see the reach of the program, that the subjects covered are agriculture and self-help groups, banking landscape and NPA, credit including retail, education loan and export credit, MSME loans, Mudra, Stand Up India, PMJDY, PMSBY, Prime Minister Swasthya Bima Yojana, Prime Minister Jeevan Jyot Bima Yojana, direct benefit transfer, digital banking and RuPay card. So these are specific targets or specific topics have been given to 5 different groups. We have formed 5 different groups. Each group is comprising of 10 branch managers and headed by Mr. Shukla, AGM Kampal branch, Mr. Saldana, who is the principal of our training center, Mr. Kullapure, who is AGM of our Madgaon branch, Mr. Datta, who is AGM of our Verna branch, and Mr. Ashok Madan, who has recently joined as Deputy Zonal Manager. And interaction is going on these specific topics. Very valid suggestions have come forward on which we are doing further deliberation. We will be sending those suggestions to our top management, and these are the things or these are the changes which need to be brought about. At the same time, on 22nd and 23rd, we will be comparing our bank's performance in Goa with the other banks' performance in Goa. It will be a bank-to-bank comparison that will take on 22nd and 23rd. A special SLBC meeting has been convened for that purpose, and then subsequently at national level the bank-to-bank performance will be compared.
We have compared branch manager's performance with the zonal level performance. So if the zonal has performed 10% and if the branch has performed say 15%, then he has performed better than what the zone has performed. So at the same time, there will be some branches who are at 5%, 6%. So why they have not come up to their own zone's performance also? So zone's performance is the benchmark for this particular. This is the first session that we are going to have. So if you are not coming up to your zone's performance also, the people themselves, they know where they failed or where the hiccups were, where the constraints were, and then their own colleagues will be suggesting them certain solutions. Yes, this is the constraint you faced, but this is the solution for that. And within the available constraints, see now we are having manpower shortages or whatever it is, but then within those constraints also, how can we perform better and to deliver to the customers better products and within a reasonable period of time? That is what is most important for all of us as of today, because if you have seen, the topics covered were of national importance, that like agricultural credit, then SME and Mudra loans, and not only Mudra but then other Stand Up India also. So there are so many other things which have been covered, including export credit. So it is not only that we are going to deliver credit to the poorest of the poor, but we have some credit available for exporters also.
Uh, Goa specific, because this zone is Bank of India is dealing with Goa. So the ideas or the constraints we are facing that suddenly the mining was stopped. We are looking at only mining companies, but it also affected the truck operators. It's also affected a dhaba. It also affected a tire supplier. It also affected the repair workshop. Everything has been petrol pumps. Everyone has been affected in Goa. So we are saying that before you make any policy changes or suggestion, let it be gradual, not an abrupt thing that it will bring everything to standstill. That is what the emerging trend has come up here. Second aspect has come up with certain government schemes are very good. However, the margin requirement is bit difficult for people to get. The weaker section, financially weaker section cannot come up with such a high margin. Scheme is good so that you do the tweaking with the margins.